welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to blur a video in Capcut. First of all, open Capcut in a mobile device. After that, select the add new project option, and after that you'll be getting into the devices, videos, photos. What you have to do is select one of the video that you want to add or blur, and after that on the bottom right corner there's an add option. Select that. Right over here, when you reach to this option, what you have to do is select the effects option on the bottom and go to the video effects, and over here on the search icon select for the blur. And after that, from this effect, select the blur option, which is on the first effect. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.